Jose Bonifacio, ex-Navy, counterterrorism, special recon, combat diving, also an expert in urban warfare.
I've been in the military long enough to know what you are really up to. At hindi ko alam kung anong mas nakakadismaya. What you've done.
Matapos ang 20 oras na ginawa ng mga itong mutiny laban sa Pangulo.
Or what you are doing now.
Importante ang bawat oras, bawat minuto.
Nandito tayo dahil meron ang objective. Ang objective na yung kunin ng target.
Baby, secure the package.
Copy!